Hello everyone, this is Rashmi and today we are going to discuss about arithmetic mean. So basically arithmetic mean means average value. So some numbers are given, then we have to find out the average value. In your syllabus you will get three type of question. So here this is the first type of question. When some numbers are given, then how to find out the arithmetic mean. So I have taken the question, find the arithmetic mean 5, 10, 12, 22, 30, 33. So whenever this type of question is given, then the formula we will use x bar. Arithmetic mean is denoted as a x bar equal to summation of x divided by n. Here summation of x means it is the sum of all the values, n means it is the number of terms which is present in the question. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number is present. So for in this question n value equal to 6. Now what is the value of arithmetic mean? X bar summation of x divided by n. So summation of x means 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 22 plus 30 plus 33 divided by 6, and the value is that equal to 112 divided by 6, 18.67. So the answer is 18.67. The question is given that if the average of 7, 9, 12, x, 5, 4 and 11 is 9, then x is, we have to find out the value of x. So we already know that for the average value x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. So to solve this question we will use the formula. And there are 7 number is present. So according to the formula we can write down summation of all the values divided by number of terms. Here 7 number is present equal to the average value. Here the average value equal to 9, so we have written down equal to 9. So now let us find out all the sum values. So the value equal to 48, all the values 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 plus 11 is equal to 48. Then 7 into 9, 63. So x equal to 63 minus 48 equal to 15. So we have got that the value of x equal to 15. Let us discuss the question. Find the arithmetic mean of the following frequency distribution, where x value is given and the frequency value is given. Then we will use the formula x bar equal to summation of fx divided by n, where n equal to summation of f. Now first of all let us write down the value. So we have written down all the value. Now we have to find out the column fx. Fx means the corresponding product value of these two numbers. First 1 into 7 equal to 7, 2 into 10 20, 3 into 16 48, 4 into 20 80, 5 into 30 150, 25 into 6, 150, then 7 into 37, 259. This value is equal to 320. So what is the formula here? Formula is equal to summation of fx divided by n. So now we have to find out summation of fx and summation of f. (1034). Now the formula is summation of x bar equal to summation of fx divided by n. Summation of fx value is equal to 1034 and value is equal to 185. .59.